Oh, that's a plane. Okay, going around.
That was almost bad.
Good morning, Ohio. So, I'm in the US now. Hello. As you can see. So what we're doing today is going to the Flite Test headquarters. So, let's get going. I'm just about to pick up a plane. Not sure what's going on in there. What's going on, guys?
Hello.
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 So what we're doing today is going to find a plane for me to fly at Flite Fest. So, we're gonna go up into the boneyard of Flite Test and see if we can find something. Looks like we might be able to. I don't think there's a light in here, so I'm gonna have to be a bit careful. Looks like some kind of biplane with a top wing missing. This is an old jet. It's a vampire jet from David Vinderstall, but this is the guy that I'm after. I'm gonna take this downstairs and get it fixed up. That's the plane. Alright, so I'm here with Ethan, and he's going to be my spotter, and we're going to fly the Pilatus. I've never flown anything quite like this, because it's a bit bigger than everything else. So I've got the flaps on a dial thing.
Oh, nice.
I'm not used to, but yeah, that looks pretty cool. I think I'm going to put a little bit of flaps on here.
For takeoff?
Yeah, just a little bit. Just a smidge. Wow, it feels so locked in already.
Nice.
Wow, this plane is awesome.
Looks great too.
I'm gonna go and test the stall in a minute. No pass left to right. Oh.
And it's quiet too.
Yeah, it is. Alright, I'm gonna land it now, I think.
A little too high.
Oh, that's a plane. Okay, going around.
That was almost bad.
Landing left to right.
Oh, never, you're farther than I thought. You should be good.
I'm trying to keep my trajectory. Ah, that wasn't too bad.
Nice. Good job.
So this is the plane I've been flying the most. It's called the Pilatus. It's can't remember who it's made by, but it's really nice and smooth. This is a dog fighter, which is fast and agile, and you can do lots of sort of bank and yank kind of flying with it. And then this is something that someone gave me to fly in the combat, which is made out of balsa wood, which is a really bad idea for combat.
What's up,
Dude,
we need to tell Umber to go in combat.
is that food? No, no. Thank you very much.
Cajun fries.
The elevator's a hotel.
Yeah. Crazy. This is rubbish. Wait,
What was that word you said the other day?
tortoise?
No. With the
Tortoise?
knackers.
Knackered. Knackers is something else. Means you're tired.
Like your pants.
Yeah.
Like pants.
These guys don't know how to speak English. Sorry.
I only speak American, sorry.
Okay, that's good enough. Right then, I'm back in England again, as you might be able to tell. For some reason, I completely forgot to actually record an end segment of that last video that you were just watching. So, sorry about that, but here it is now, I suppose. Flite Fest was just the best experience. I'm getting some weird looks for vlogging over here. Thank you everyone who came up to me and said hello. That was very nice. That doesn't usually happen, and it was great meeting you two. I can't remember all of your names, but Callum from Canada, nice to meet you. And yeah, I can't remember anyone else, I'm afraid, in terms of your name, so write a comment down below if you're there, and I'll say hi in the comments instead. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, then please give it a bit of a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, catch you next time, thanks for watching, and yeah, cheerio, I suppose.
That's a wrap, folks. That's a wrap, folks.